Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Just what is this little thing? Well, this is a puller. It's kind of a special puller. I use it to pull battery terminals. I couldn't say that that's the only place it could be used, but that's what I use it for. The cool thing about it is it has this nut. When you force that nut in, that drives the tips of the gripping arms together and locks them around the battery terminal. The advantage to that is you can put this on something that's kind of oddly shaped, like most cast lead battery terminals are, at least on the older equipment, which is what I mostly work on. And if you loosen that up, it'll open up so you can fit it over the terminal and then lock that down and grip the terminal tightly. So when you're driving the screw in, the screw can then jack against the post and lift the terminal right off the battery. Now, this kind of device is available in larger sizes. So if you've got a gear that's a little odd shaped or it's hard to reach, or the darn clamp, the puller keeps falling off of it, one of these will make it so that it doesn't do that anymore. Now, you have to have a special frame on the thing. Sometimes people think you can just cobble something up, and perhaps you can if you have the right kind of equipment. But you really need to have something like this cone-shaped nut that goes against the frame of the puller and allows it to grip. It's a handy thing to have. It's one of those tools that you only use every once in a while, but it sure does come in handy. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on this channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.